like previously what you have seen, we have make this dashboard animated, right? But some people actually ask me on LinkedIn that how do I make this kind of good design. Okay, so today I will show you how you guys take inspirations and how do you use those inspirations in your design and make your design totally unique. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So first, if I go to Pinterest, so if I go to Pinterest here, from here, so right now what we have, let me show you how I do things. First, I collect inspiration, like I create a mood board from here, as you can see. So I am working on farm. So as you can see, all these things are farm related, some are not, but to take some layout inspirations, I keep these things here, okay? And as you guys can see, all the farm things are here, okay? So when I do design, what I do, I keep different part from different design, okay, and make them in one place, because I also need to see, I need to know like if this layout actually fill my full design or not. Like for example, as you can see here in this top part, as you can see here, this part, I take inspiration from this here. As you can see, this navigation bar, all are kind of similar in my design in here, okay? I took it from this inspiration. Let me show you um this one. See, this is totally different things, but it actually works for my design, so I keep it like this way. And for this one, like for this four card, like urgent task, overdue task, harvest zone, and workers, I take this design. So the design I took is from here. Let me show you here. Here, as you can see here, this is the design actually I took. Okay, so in this way you need to make things together to make it look good and also make it more functional. Okay, and for example, this today's priority task, as you can see here, so this is actually made by AI. So this AI design actually I made it like this way. Okay, I keep all this data from here, from this AI part, like urgent task, overdue task, harvest zone, workers, all those things actually I keep the data, but I design it with my own way. Okay, and for example, for this task, like as you can see, this is not looking good, right? Not looking professional, and too much things actually going on here. But what I did here, I do the same things but in a different way. Like I took these inspirations and make it like this way. It also work for my design as well in my whole layout. Okay, so in this way you need to find design things. But for example, how do I find this kind of design, right? So I go to Pinterest, I search farm dashboard design. Okay, dashboard design, as you can see, there are a lot of dashboard design are here over here, as you guys can see, right? So for example, this one, I like this one, so I what I do, I just click copy image, then I keep it here like this way. Okay, so in this way actually I design to make pretty design and also functional. Okay, so this is how you should like work with design, like you need to find inspiration like this way. And this one, as you can see, this is a background of this part. I also took this from Pinterest as well. Okay, when you search for landscape landscape back green, you will find this kind of background. Okay, so from here actually I took the inspiration for that background. Okay, so in the next video, I already show you how I take inspirations, but in the next video I will show you like how I collect all those things and make one design together. Okay, we will learn it together. So